guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Estelle. So today's makeup, I'm going to be doing the trending new makeup style. People are doing it. I just want to try it out. It's called the Foxy eye. I hope I got that right. It's inspired by this celebrity called Bella Hadid. Yeah, and today I'm going to be trying it on a black girl like me. So I hope you enjoyed this video if you're watching me right now. But yeah, I'm going to try it myself today and see how it looks on my face. You definitely want to also see that. But the truth is, they use there's a way you have to keep your hairstyle, pack it just to have that snatched kind of. So I decided to go with this turban. That way I'll have my face all snatched up and having that, you know. So that's the reason why you're seeing me with this. And of course, I love tying turban. They fit me. So I'll bring you guys in so we can hop into this tutorial. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Thank you. That will mean a lot to me. I'm using the NYX brow pencil in Espresso. I'm just following the shape of my brows, but the only thing is I'm going to make sure it's carved out. Okay, so now that our brows are looking this way, I'm going to clean that out. Okay, now the brows are done. We're going to move to the next step. To prime my eyes, I'm going to use that same L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Honey. Using Jackie Aina's palette, I will use this shade called Edges. Now I'm going to go into credit and I'll tap that very lightly. So now I'm going to use the Huda Beauty nude palette in Rich. I'm going to take this dark color here. I'm going to use that to smoke out my eyes. Okay, so now that I have that winged out, you know, I just followed my eye at the edge here and basically take it up to where my brow bone stop, and I'm going to smoke out that eyes more. I'm going to apply my mascara while I'm waiting for the lashes to dry. So guys, I'll apply my lashes and I'll be right back. I'm going to blend in the false lashes and my lashes together. Okay, so guys, my face is so oily, my goodness. I had to cut my lashes to get this shape so that everything is, you know, giving me that wing out. And I didn't place my lashes the normal way. I took it a little bit upwards. That way I can have that cat eye look. So I'm going to do the rest of my face and I'll see you guys. Alright guys, I'm here. So I just went ahead and set my face, apply my lipstick. What else? I smoked out my under eyes very little, and you know, my highlighter, everything I do on my previous makeup routine, that's just what I applied here. This look was just basically the eyes, and that's it for this look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, join the family. If you like what you watch, give this video a thumbs up, click the like button, and if you subscribe, don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upload. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.